Welcome to SAP Asset Performance Management, an integrated approach that helps organizations monitor, assess, and optimize asset health and reliability using trusted master data, intelligent libraries, and advanced data governance for predictive insights and sustainable performance. In SAP APM, exploring technical objects is the starting point for asset management. PiLog accelerates this process by providing a global repository of over 30 million industry-specific assets and MRO spares. Instead of manually creating master data, you can instantly load ISO-compliant classes, characteristics, and metadata for pumps, valves, motors, and more, reducing setup time by 80 to 90%. SAP APM uses reference designation libraries as the backbone for engineering discipline, system design, and digital twin structuring. PiLog enhances this capability by delivering a complete and comprehensive RDS 81346 library, enabling every asset in your organization to follow a uniform, globally understood naming convention. From instrument loops to mechanical assemblies, electrical circuits, and piping networks, every object can be classified in a clear, consistent manner. This eliminates ambiguity, ensures engineering accuracy, supports compliance, and forms the perfect foundation for digital twins, model-based maintenance, and asset-centric analytics. Asset environments are often large, interconnected, and technically complex, with thousands of components operating across plants, units, and processes. To manage these systems effectively, organizations need a clear and accurate hierarchy that represents the true physical, functional, and engineering relationships within the asset landscape. PiLog supports this by providing pre-structured functional, product, and location hierarchies aligned with global standards such as ISO 81346 and ISO 14224. These hierarchy models are built using real engineering logic and proven asset classification principles, ensuring every asset is consistently and correctly positioned. With standardized hierarchies in place, users benefit from easier system navigation, stronger traceability, and better alignment between engineering, maintenance, and operational teams. This reduces manual interpretation errors, simplifies asset onboarding, and enables more reliable planning and analysis. Ultimately, PiLog delivers a unified, globally compliant hierarchy foundation that enhances operational clarity, supports advanced analytics, and strengthens overall asset performance management within SAP APM and related enterprise systems. Instead of investing months building risk templates, PiLog provides a library of industry-validated, reliability-engineered models. These templates plug directly into SAP APM, offering a ready-made, standardized framework for evaluating assets across plants and industries. With consistent scoring, transparent logic, and clear assessment criteria, organizations can make reliability decisions that are defensible, traceable, and aligned with global best practice benchmarks. Risk and criticality assessments are central to asset-based decision-making, helping teams focus resources, reduce failures, and maintain safety and reliability. PiLog supports this with ready-to-use RBA, RCM, and FMEA templates aligned with standards like API 580/581, SAE JA 1011, and ISO 14224. Each template includes predefined degradation mechanisms, failure probabilities, consequence ratings, and mitigation actions. This enables SAP APM users to generate accurate risk and criticality scores immediately, supporting faster prioritization and smarter asset strategies. FMEA is vital for identifying how equipment can fail and determining the right actions to prevent or mitigate those failures. PiLog accelerates this within SAP APM by providing pre-populated failure mode libraries with severity ratings, occurrence probabilities, detection methods, and recommended actions. This streamlines FMEA workshops, reduces manual effort, and improves accuracy. With PiLog, SAP APM becomes a proactive reliability platform. With PiLog structured recommendations and strategy templates, organizations can act on insights quickly and consistently. The templates standardize corrective actions and support long-term reliability planning across the enterprise. Aligned with global reliability standards, they help ensure maintenance decisions boost safety, reduce costs, and improve asset availability, enabling SAP APM users to build strong, future-ready maintenance strategies.